Hi everyone, and welcome back to Little Light Liturgy. Today, we are getting ready to celebrate one of the most powerful and beautiful days in the church calendar, Pentecost. We're remembering that incredible moment when the Holy Spirit arrived like a rushing mighty wind, and tongues of fire rested on the apostles. To help bring that story to life in your home, we are making this beautiful Holy Spirit streamer. It's a wonderful visual reminder of the Spirit's movement and the gifts He pours into our lives. Before we begin, let's gather our materials and tools. For this craft, you will need an A4 red card cut in half widthways, 8 ribbons, 30 centimeters long, 2 red, 3 orange, and 3 yellow, 1 Holy Spirit dove template, 7 flame tags representing the 7 gifts of the Holy Spirit, a glue stick, scissors, 30 centimeter ruler, a pencil, a 3mm hole punch, stapler, and coloring pencils in red, orange, and yellow. First, let's prepare our base. Take your A4 red card and fold it in half to find the middle. Then cut it widthways. This half sheet is going to form the sturdy tube for our streamer. Next, measure and cut your ribbons into 30 centimeter strips. You want a vibrant mix, 2 red, 3 orange, and 3 yellow. To keep your ribbons from fraying, you can very gently singe the ends with a flame. Because this involves fire, this step must be done or supervised by an adult. Now let's focus on the heart of our craft, the Holy Spirit dove template. Grab your coloring pencils. For a traditional look, I'm giving our dove an orange beak, a bright yellow halo, and brilliant red flames at the base. Once your coloring is complete, add some glue to the back and press the dove firmly right into the center of your red card. Next, we need to prepare our card for the ribbons. Take your hole punch and make 2 holes near the top corners of your card, just above the dove. These will hold our hanging handle later. Then, flip it over and punch 7 holes in a straight row beneath the dove template. Try to space them out evenly, but make sure you leave a little bit of room at the very edges so we can staple the card into a cylinder later. Finally, punch a single hole at the top of each of your 7 flame tags. These tags represent the 7 gifts of the Holy Spirit. Now for the fun part, bringing it all together. Take one of your ribbons, thread it through a flame tag, and tie a secure knot. Then, thread the other end of that same ribbon through one of the 7 holes at the bottom of your card and tie it off. Repeat this for all 7 tags, alternating your red, orange, and yellow ribbons to create a beautiful fire effect. Once your 7 flames are attached, roll the red card into a cylinder, overlap the edges slightly, and secure it with a stapler at the top and bottom. To finish the assembly, take your 8th and final ribbon, thread it through the 2 holes at the top of the tube, and tie knots on the insides of the cylinder to create a perfect hanging handle. And there you have it, your very own Pentecost streamer. The best place to hang this is indoors right near an open window. As the breeze catches these vibrant ribbons, you can watch the flames dance, giving you a beautiful daily reminder of the breath and movement of the Holy Spirit in our homes and hearts. Thank you so much for crafting with me today on Little Light Liturgy. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your finished streamers with our community in the comments below. Have a truly blessed and spirit-filled Pentecost. Bye for now.